Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable your chat heads on Messenger, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable your Messenger chat heads, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. And after opening your Messenger, next, go to the menu at the top left corner. And once you're on the menu, I want you to go to Settings. And here in Settings, I want you to scroll down until you find the chat heads option. And once you've found it, just turn it on to completely enable your chat heads on Messenger. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Messenger chat heads will now be turned on. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.